Meyer Distributing, on the move.
If I could describe Meyer in one word, it'd be family.
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 You know, it's not just customers, it's not just another employee or another worker, but it's family.
When I started 8 years ago, I think we were, I want to say at 20 locations, and now we're over 69.
In just that short amount of time, we have just blossomed. We're in RV, we're in power sports, off-road, diesel.
With all these different departments and all the interactions we have to do on a daily basis to keep the operation going between us, the customers and the vendors, it's going back to the family values and creating quite a family atmosphere here at Myers.
We're all working towards the same goal, and at the end of the day, or a week or two down the road, whenever that goal gets accomplished, it's just a good feeling.
It's a constantly growing company. It's always moving in the right direction, and it's family owned. You're part of the family here at Meyer.